Namaste. Good morning everyone. I am Rita Jolia, Vice Principal of Manas International School. It gives me immense pride to be the part of this institution that believes in nurturing young mind with quality education, strong values and innovative learning practices. Manas International has a profound motto, service before self. It implies that the students are being prepared to contribute something meaningful to the society. So today, Manas International School, located in Dhanbad, successfully conceptualized, produced and distribute a highly influential promotional documentary. Under leadership of our director sir, Mr. Rakesh Sinha, and principal ma'am, Mrs. Sima Sinha, our school is aiming to empower students to become global leaders. To create global leaders, Manas International is the absolute first education institute in the Dhanbad region to launch MindSpark AI program. To strengthen our academic excellence, we have integrated MindSpark, an adaptive learning platform that caters to the individual learning needs of every child. MindSpark not only enhances the need of every child, but it also conceptually clarity in all the subjects like maths, English, but also strengthen our academic excellence. We have integrated MindSpark, an adaptive learning platform that caters to the individual learning needs of every child. MindSpark not only enhances conceptual clarity in subjects like maths and English, but also helps students learn at their own pace with confidence and consistency. At Manas International, our aim is not just to complete the syllabus, but to ensure that the understanding and in mastery. Every child has a unique learning journey. Let us now hear from our students as we ask them some difficult questions about their journey with MindSpark. Devuji, does MindSpark help you in maths?
Yes, ma'am. It helps me learn numbers and addition very easy.
Very good. Rohit, how do you feel when you get stars in MindSpark?
I feel very happy and proud.
Very good. Abhipsha, she is Abhipsha from class 2. Abhipsha, what is so special about MindSpark classes?
It gives questions according to my level and helps me learn step by step.
Rahul, how has MindSpark helped you in improving your studies?
It helps me practice daily and
Sir, stop.
it helped me practice daily and understand my mistakes.
Research is conducted by highly respected academic bodies include Abdul Latif Jami at MIT has demonstrated that the MindSpark usage resulted in 4 to 5 times gain in student learning outcome relative to standard controlled environment. Furthermore, DIF program in Lucknow recorded an astonishing 7 to 8 times gain in learning outcome. Shrishti, do you enjoy learning English on MindSpark?
Yes, I learned new words and correct spelling.
This is Purvi from class 3. Purvi, does MindSpark make learning interesting?
Yes, it gives instant results and examinations, which making learning fun.
Priya, how MindSpark is different from normal classroom learning?
In MindSpark, I get personal question according to my understanding.
Sakshi, do you think MindSpark improve your logical thinking and how it motivates you to perform better in MindSpark?
Yes, it gives tricky questions that make me think deeply, and the star reader board and progress report motivate me.
He is Manish from class 5. Manish, you have scored more than 3000 Sparkies in MindSpark. What helped you to achieve this milestone?
I practice and try to improve every day. Whenever I made mistake, I carefully read the explanation and learn more. Consistency helped me earn more Sparkies.
He is Abhiraj and he has scored first rank in the world level in MindSpark. Abhiraj, how do you feel after scoring first rank in the world level in Mindspark?
I am very proud and happy. It is a great achievement for me. I am thankful to my teachers and school for guiding me.
Okay, what was your strategy to achieve the first world rank in Mindspark?
I practice regularly, focus on understanding my mistakes and try to improve my speed and accuracy every day.
Romit, how does Mindspark help in time management?
It provides us time practice which help me to improve speed and accuracy and helps me understand difficult concepts clearly.
Good. Shrishti, what feature of Mindspark do you like most and have your ranking improved after practicing regularly?
I like that it adjusts question according to my performance, and yes, my performance and marks have improved a lot.
He's Yash from class 6. Yash, if you had to describe Mindspark in one sentence, what would you say to students and parents watching this?
Mindspark had made learning more smart, simple, and successful for every child.
Okay, how does Mindspark change you as a learner?
It has made me more confident, independent, and ready to face any challenges.
Aryan, it's almost feel like Mindspark knows exactly what you need. How does the program work when you find a topic too easy and too hard?
Yes, I really feel the way when I find a topic too easy. Mindspark automatically gives me more challenging question to help me improve. And if I find something too difficult, it's give me simpler questions and explanation so I can understand step by step. That's why learning becomes easier and more comfortable for me.
The platform has been the subject of a dedicated Harvard Business School. This chart has been specifically prepared to motivate all our students to aim higher and give their best in Mindspark. Through the remarkable achievement of Abhiraj in securing a world level rank and earning a Sparky badge, we want every child to understand that dedication, focus and consistent practice can lead to extraordinary success. Let this chart inspire everyone to concentrate more, learn and more and unlock their true potential in Mindspark. Thank you. Now our Mindspark motto is We are immensely proud to present Sparky Badge to Abhiraj Singh for his outstanding achievement in scoring a rank in the world level. This remarkable achievement reflects his dedication, perseverance and passion for learning. Competing on the global platform and emerging with the distinction in no small field, and Abhiraj has truly an inspiring example for his peer. His hard work and consistent effort have brought us great pride to school. Congratulations Abhiraj on his well-deserved recognition. Congratulations Abhiraj. Very good.